Look, I do this beforehand because afterwards there is no guarantee. So before we start, let me tell you, I am a movie buff. So I talk about movies. If you are not a movie goer, you will have problem in understanding this presentation. We are going to talk about power of appreciation, and whatever is happening since morning, whatever I have covered in this presentation, you have already discussed that. But this is different because this is my take, my perspective. And let me tell you, I worked hard for 20 years, earned a lot of money, and then I donated all that money to an institute called INSEAD. So when they started teaching, in the first session itself, I asked them, boss, whatever you are teaching, I went to Dean, I said, whatever you are teaching, I already know that. So he said, when did we tell you that we are going to teach you something new? We are just sharing our perspective. So then I realized that perspective is a big thing. So here also I am sharing a perspective, that too for free. As I told you, this presentation has movie references, although no parental guidance is required. But please try at your own risk. Don't say that, oh, that guy came. No, no liability. Images are used for educational purposes. Copyright is with the owner. So we are done with this. Let's start. Why appreciation? Why appreciation? Why are we talking about appreciation even? Why? It motivates. Okay. It motivates. Why do we need motivation?
Reason to do something.
No. Actually, we have been. Yes, ma'am, you want to say something? Yeah, there is something deeper to it. It is the way we have been primed over years. We have been shown movies. This is how our society has been. कितने आदमी थे? Fine? You were two people. No, you were three people and they were two. और फिर भी खाली हाथ चले आए. This is performance orientation. This is performance driven culture. If you don't perform, what will I do? I will fire you. That is what we have been following, and we have become used to it because that's how society moves. Has this guy ever motivated anyone? Ever appreciated anyone? He is not supposed to. That is how we have built our leaders and managers. You are Gabbar. This is a performance oriented organization. Have you seen Bhool Bhulaiya 3? Right? What is the core of this movie? A guy is appreciated by his sisters that you dance so well. And moment this guy accepts that this is true appreciation, the guy is betrayed. So if somebody appreciates you, first thing, इसका कोई purpose होगा. There is something behind it, that is why this guy is appreciating me. So We always have a negative connotation about appreciation, and this is not that you and me are thinking, this is embedded in the society. That's how movies are made. Remember, our top badminton player, who is she? Saina Nehwal. You would have seen the movie, you would have seen her caricature, and she tells, I was slapped by my mother for coming second. So now, every child in the country wants to come first, because otherwise parents are going to put pressure on him and her. That is what society is. Who is appreciating her for the effort she has put in for coming second? Because we want everyone or everything to be the best. We want all of us to outperform ourselves, and that is necessary, otherwise she would not have been there. Now this is a success story. So why should we follow appreciation? Anyone who does the good work, we should slap that guy. Right? That is how industry has been working, because if you slap someone, that guy becomes the best in the world. Shocked? Appreciation. Okay. Remember these two ladies? I was thinking of putting Aamir Khan also here so that you can recognize. Fogart sisters. And if you have seen Dangal, and I am sure you would have, Babita Fogart was the best Indian wrestler who was there. Her father was tough on her. And then her coach stamped her, you cannot perform. You cannot perform in international competitions. And she dipped. She started believing that she is not good. And if you remember, her sister sat with her and she said, you were the one who has won all the national championships. You are the one who have defeated boys in dangals. If not you, then who else? And she comes back. Now you are seeing, this is appreciation. Somebody reminds you how good you are, and that brings you back. There are people who are going to be tough with you because they want best out of you, but you need to have someone who can actually tell you how good you are. I am a poet. I perform at national television. When I wrote my first poetry, when I read it today, it was so bad, I can't tell you. But my mother told me, oh, this is wonderful. And since she told me this is wonderful, I started writing and I became good at it. That is the power of appreciation. So when people are tough with you, they want best out of you, but at the same time, you should have a figure with you who can be your mother, who can be your friend, who can be someone who can shield you, protect you, and help you grow for the things which are important for you. So, why appreciate? Actually, I wanted that to be a slide, but I thought, okay, who is the most happiest here? Joy, joy. Okay. So that means you have seen. So whenever joy comes, what does joy do? You have heard about, okay, when somebody appreciates, dopamine comes, that is something which is happening. Those are chemical reactions which are happening. Joy actually picks up memories or creates memories and puts them in your memory bank. And if you have good memories, then you have a positive personality. That is why appreciation. सर आप बैठ के भी खा सकते हो. You have seen Mr. and Mrs. Smith? Now, if you are a manager, it is a relationship which you have to build. Instead of looking down that, okay, subordinate hai. Don't do that. It is an adult to adult relationship and it is just like this. Now, in any relationship, they say how many positives you are creating and how many negatives you are creating. So, you are going to push people to perform better because we are human beings. We need little bit of push because inertia comes in. But at the same time, when you are pushing and creating a negative experience, at the same time, if you have done pushing 10 times, then you should appreciate 11 times so that relationship score is positive. Because if relationship score is not positive, that's why they say when you are pushing your children for studies, at the same time, you should appreciate them for the things which they are doing good. And that is something which I have seen lacking in India as a culture. And why I am saying so? Because if you see, say, United States, for everything, I picked up a hotel for a dinner and they said, oh, thank you for picking a nice hotel. Yahan nobody says that you took a food of the hotel was good. I did not cook, but I picked the hotel and for that I am being appreciated. How many of you watch Big Bang Theory? In Big Bang Theory, you would have seen for everything, if you apologize, the person immediately says, thank you for understanding. How many times we do that here? We are like, you will understand. Appreciation from business point of view, it is well-being, and well-being brings productivity. I will also tell you in the same presentation how to actually do that. She already talked about therapists. When you talk to somebody, you actually pour your heart out, and it is like when you clean utensils, lot of water comes out and it has to go to some other place so that you are cleansed. Wow. So this is like that. Third thing, culture. You remember this movie? Here, what was the culture? Whatever I say is true. Huh? Your way or the highway? Okay, that's great. So, if you build this kind of a culture, then Dilwale Dulhaniya le jayenge. And you have to let loose of your employees. So, building culture is very, very important. I actually wanted to put image of Shah Rukh and his father. But then I found this is better This will convey the message. Now, I will give you a methodology how to appreciate. Remember 4 things. If you can make people glad, GLAD, these are the 4 things. That is how you appreciate, and that is how you can make people glad. So, first thing which you can do is, you can give a gift. Fine. You want to appreciate someone, you give a gift. So, HR guys generally create a budget for gift, and business has a huge problem with it, because when you give somebody budget, they buy anything or everything, and it doesn't serve the purpose. So, I remember our organization said there are a lot of young people, we should create a marriage gift. So, the entire team will go to the marriage and they will hand over the gift to the person who is getting married. That would be a great bonding experience. Fine, you are going to somebody's marriage, giving them a gift. After a year, how it became was that nobody was going to the marriage. People were claiming, and it was coming in the payroll. And they said, why the hell are we gifting? You have seen Patal Lok? So, I will tell you a narrative. What happened? These 2 gentlemen were together in Northeast and away from their family. So, this guy wanted to go home because it was his son's birthday and he did not have enough money. So, his boss on the morning of the birthday gives him an air ticket. Go, celebrate your son's birthday. Now, that is a considerate gift, because this is something you want to do and you have got a chance. So, what we talk about is personalization. This is what is personalization of gifts. If you are just distributing gifts, so that is gift. You have always been talking about, means all of you had been talking about listening. Listening is something which is very, very important, even more important than a gift. If you just sit and listen to somebody, it changes the whole. That is the biggest form of appreciation. It is not seen as appreciation, but that is the biggest form of appreciation you can practice. Remember this visual? Attention and care. If you care about something, you need to give attention to details. It will again bring you to personalization. Munna Bhai just looked at what this guy loves and he created that magic then and there itself. His friend hated him, but he brought his father when it was needed to the hospital. That is attention and care. If you care about somebody, that is something which is appreciation. So, if you want to appreciate your employees, just take care of them. You were talking about, he was talking about that we called and anyone needed admission and things like that. This is just caring. He called this girl for a date and she said, "What will you enjoy?" He said, "Can you scratch my back?" remember, whatever you think, people are not asking for the same thing from, people have different expectations. If you just listen to them and give them what they want, they might not be wanting gifts, they might not be wanting the stuff which you think is important for them. They might be asking for something very small, tiny, miny. If you just give it to them, they will be very, very happy. So that is GLAD. Types of recognitions, two types of recognitions. One is top down, that management only will recognize everyone. So management recognizes, you can do either a spot recognition or you can do a structured recognition, like he in the morning did a spot recognition, okay. Or you can do a structured recognition like she is doing. These are the speakers, they are going to come here and then I am going to give them Lord Ganesha. And second is peer-to-peer recognition. Now, beauty of peer-to-peer recognition is you just have to create culture. Just create a culture where everyone says thank you to someone else. And if you build that culture, she appreciates him, he appreciates her. All of us know Mother Teresa like anything. So, if you build that culture of love, empathy, care, whatever we discussed in GLAD, it happens. Now, caution, these are the things which you should not be doing. Sincerity. If your gift is not sincere, this girl wanted to break up with him, he knew she wants to break up with him, but she was giving him, she was not telling him on her face. Now you want to fire a person and then you want to appreciate him, oh, you are doing a good work, this guy knows they are going to fire me. Then whatever you are doing, you lose credibility. Moment you don't have credibility, then whatever appreciation you are doing doesn't work. So you have to be genuine and it has to be timely. Chandu Champion won the national, he won Olympics and he was not given Khel Ratna award, and that was important to him because he will get some money and he will get a road built in his village. But he was not given that recognition, and by the time they gave him that recognition, he said, road ban gaya. I have built it with my own money, I don't need your recognition. Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen got Nobel Prize and then suddenly, oh, he's ours, we should give him Bharat Ratna. It should not be this late. And it must not be a secret that he spoke well and then we take him to a room and say, we appreciate you, this is the certificate. All the secret services actually do secret appreciation. You are not in a secret service, so don't try to be. मैं उससे पहले खत्म कर दूँ. Don't worry about it. Now, business value, I will give you techniques which you can use at work. Look, I don't talk about big things in my presentation. I talk about small things you would have seen. If you can take at least one thing with you home, that would be great. Then whatever time we are spending together is worth spending. We talked about burnouts. Method of handling burnouts. This was a wonderful movie, Jab We Met, which actually told us how to handle burnouts. Simple appreciation. Why are you sad? Oh, your girlfriend left you. She looked at the photo first before saying, oh, she looks good. And moment she realized she has left him, you can do better than her. She is not good. Why don't you burn her out? Simple technique. And then he does the same thing with her when she is depressed. I am putting this guy on a call, abuse him. And after listening to this, I conduct a session with people who actually go through tough time in the first year of their career. When they join corporate, it is a shock for them, and when they go through this, I just ask them to come to the session, put a figure and say, abuse this guy, beat this guy up, and you will not believe that hit me toy which I use. With 30 people, I have to replace at least 6 toys. They went out like anything. Thing is, no one else has created that sync, and not everyone knows how to go to a psychologist. So, if you can create that in your own organization, I am not saying give me business because I don't do those sessions outside as of now, but use this technique. This is a wonderful technique. When you have to build and retain teams, this movie showed me how to do it just through appreciation. Movie is Lagan, right? Remember how this guy inducted him? This guy sells chickens, and many a times his chickens were here and there. He was good at catching those chickens. He said, if you can catch chickens, you can catch a cricket ball like anything. So you can be a very good fielder. He appreciated him. This guy came in his team. It was a very tough thing to build a team at that point in time, but he did it. And I use this technique so many times for building my own team and building teams for others. Because if you know how important that person is, what skill set that person is bringing in, you can just tell that person how important you are and what is the difference you are going to make to the team. People want to listen to these kind of things, and people don't leave you if they know they are valued. So appreciation works a long way. And make team perform. मम्मा ने कहा है जीत के आना. His mother said, go win. No one else wanted to win. He made the team win. And why I put this photograph? Because I wanted to tell a story about Mohinder Amarnath. There was a dialogue. Something he said to Mohinder Amarnath. He said, so a day before this, he played good cricket. Mohinder Amarnath played good cricket. He talked to his father. His father said, तूने मेरा खून 1 किलो बढ़ा दिया. You increased my blood by a kg. So Kapil Dev tells him, here is the ball. लाला जी का खून 1 किलो और बढ़ा दे. You're seeing appreciation is personalized, and what he did in that match, that actually won the match for us. He said the same thing to Ballu when Ballu was depressed and he was not able to come out of that depression, he was not performing well. So he called that guy, he said, nobody cares what you are going through. Right now you are there in the game. You have competence, play well, people will remember you for that. You can actually change performance of people by appreciating. You can see this as an appreciation. Appreciation, no, you are very good, you are very good. That is not appreciation. Moment you are telling somebody you are very good, that person says, why I am good? If you are not answering that, then it is a shallow appreciation. So, that's it. That's what I wanted to share. I have written a book series called HR Mastermind. This is a visual book. In case you are interested, ma'am, आप बैठी रहिएगा अभी. In case you are interested, you can actually go through it. This is not like a usual book. Very visual. You will appreciate it. And here is a QR code. You can actually bring out your phones, scan this QR code. It will take you to my Instagram. And what you have to do is, ma'am, either to it will take you to my Instagram. You just have to do it. You have to follow me. There is an offer going on. I will follow you back. I have brought another book of mine with me, and I would want to give away that to you guys in case you are interested. Okay.
Think of a number and tell them. And see which is possible.
No, I have a better idea. So, tell me what is my name as a poet. मैम तुक्का मारने के लिए नहीं है. Don't you guys have Google? Look, it is not about cheating. If technology is available, this is a AI conference you have come to. If technology is available and you are not using it, it is such a shame. Huh? Lord of Victory? No, you don't have to interpret my name. You can actually go to ChatGPT and ask what is. Yes. Who was that? Who said tuk tuk?
Who said it first?
Please come. And look, next is just open this gozevralearn.com HR Mastermind. Just tell me the last 3 words at the end of the site. Last 3 words at the end of the site and come on the stage. Whosoever, the first 3 people who come on the stage with the last 3 words. Huh? Oh my God. That's great. It is good to believe that. Oh, okay. Huh? All rights reserved. Please, ma'am, come. Yeah. Not limited period offer. It is all rights reserved at the end. Okay. So don't get this book. Any person from the last row who can come here first. Any person from the last row who can come here first. So that's great. Look why I asked these questions. First question, to basically tell you that using technology is important even when you are appreciating people. Second, if you appreciated my speech, you will open the site and you will take that pain to go through it. I will like it. And the third one is just about initiative. Many a times we have so much inertia that we don't want to appreciate. If we just take initiative of saying thank you or you have done a good job, that actually brings, these are practical techniques. If you use them, you will find them good. He is saying it is appreciative to hug someone. Just take care of posh, every rest. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Sorry. Thank you. You were a lovely audience. Thank you so much. Privileged to be here.